The GHTF pre-market system is described in a number of documents developed by Study Group 1. These documents cover both medical devices and IVDs. In some instances, there are separate documents for each and relate to the following topics: definitions of medical device and manufacturer, essential principles, role of standards, labeling and instructions for use, classification rules for medical devices and IVDs, requirements for conformity assessment, summary technical documentation, STED, roles and responsibilities for parties involved in the registration of manufacturers and listing of devices in order to place a device on the market in a particular jurisdiction. The definition of manufacturer is very important in the GHTF context, and it is different to the concept of manufacturer in medicines regulation, in that the medical device manufacturer is not necessarily the entity that produces the device or carries out steps in manufacture. The legal manufacturer must take responsibility for design and hold the quality management system which controls manufacture. The legal manufacturer will treat the physical manufacturer, if different, as a supplier. Because the definitions of medical device and IVD determine what products fall within the regulatory scheme, global uniformity in the definition of the two terms is needed to ensure similar regulatory oversight for similar products. More information is available on the GHTF website. The essential principles provided by the GHTF are requirements for safety and performance. All devices must comply with the general essential principles, as well as the principles covering information supplied by the manufacturer, labeling, and performance evaluation, including, where appropriate, clinical evaluation. The new version of the GHTF document divides the essential principles into 3 sections. General, which applies to all medical devices, including IVDs, those which are specific to IVDs, and those which are specific to other medical devices. Note that within the general principles, you will find one specifically on labeling and one on clinical evidence.